Hi guys, here we are. Hey, can you tell I'm off for a week? I'm doing another video, a little unboxing. Not the unboxing I had planned. I was going to do some, I was going to sit down, I was going to have a drink, and I was going to go through some stuff. I've got quite a large order on the way from the United States, but unfortunately for me, it's being transported over by the undelivery parcel service, or as they like to call themselves, UPS. I'm not joking, guys. They've had this stuff that long now. I could have walked it to the United States, had a cup of coffee and a chat with the people I bought it off, walked it back, and still got here in time to do today's unboxing with it. But unfortunately, the undelivery parcel service got it, picked it up and shipped it over, and it's still not here. Not only is it not here, after speaking with them several times this week, they don't know where it is either. To say I'm not impressed is a vast understatement. But anyway, that doesn't spoil stuff. There's no sadness in Johnsville, only tears of happiness. So what I've got is I've got this that was delivered a couple of days ago. I was saving for the big unboxing. And this, which came today. So we'll unbox these, I will show you these. And the big unboxing, it looks like it's going to be maybe Saturday when they come, maybe Monday, but I'll do that unboxing next week. But I'll show you these couple of little things I'm excited for. So we'll start with the little one. Weapon of choice today. Here we go. Kitchen knife, pink, to make the boys wink. You wouldn't believe the number of middle-aged men that look forward to me saying that. That's all I'm saying. Here we go. Okay. I have to do it from the bottom because my name and address is on there. Now, I know you guys are okay, but I'm not having hordes of hot young women camped outside my door hoping for a glimpse. I've got stuff to do. There you go. You guess what it is. Some bump, we'll put that in there. Pardon me, that's the invoice. Oh, here it is. Wow, something just caught my throat then. There it is. Any guesses yet? You're seeing what it is? Yeah. It's oh, I thought the box was damaged then, but it's like it's got a little it's wrapped in a little rag. Look at it. Like a little cleaning, Yaki branded cleaning cloth. That's nice. I'll keep that. That'll go in my glasses case now. My glasses. And here we are. Are you ready? Ta-da! There you go. Yaki Freedom. There's the coin in its bum. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. 24mm. I wish I'd done it in the 26. But it's a lovely brush. Looking forward to using that. There you go. Put it up there on the shelf of love as we crack open this other one. We'll put that tube there. Sorry, there's not a lot of room in the bathroom. Wife's at home today. She's not feeling very well, so she's in the lounge. Here we go. There you go. And we'll try this one. This is a big heavy beast, this, guys. I think I know what's in this one. I think this one took quite a while to get here as well, but I didn't pay anywhere near as much for the shipping. So there you go. Can you see it? Here it is. Check this out. Check this out, guys. No, it's not a bottle of gin. It looks like a bottle of gin, doesn't it? Solid glass bottle. Look at that. There it is. Gotas de Oro Spanish Aftershave Cologne. There you go. 120 years old, this recipe, guys. This cost a princely sum of just £6 for 600ml. And it smells divine. Oh, do you know what it smells like? It smells like citrus. It smells like oranges and lemons. Oh, but it's got like, there's ever such a hint of Piacenza in there, Sterling Piacenza. It's, do you know what it smells like? It smells like citrus, like citrus and aqua, like seaside, like somebody's cutting fresh fruit on the seaside. It's unisex, guys. £6. Me and the wife went £3 each. She ain't ever gonna see that. Don't tell her I said that. But there you go. It's absolutely wonderful. And hey, look at that. It's a daily driver at that price. You can wear it for work. And there's going to be some good aftershave going in there when we've done. There you go. Oh, let me see. There you go. I don't know if you can read the ingredients. They may be in Spanish. But there you go. Good stuff, guys. I'll put a link down below to where I got it from. Smells absolutely wonderful. And that's it. Sorry I haven't got more to show you, but at least next week I will have a little bonus video to put up. Hopefully there'll be some stuff to unbox. Hope you like this stuff. Let me know what you think, and I will see you on Saturday for the Saturday shave. Take it easy, guys. Bye.